The one is truth table. And from truth table, we can also coming out their Boolean expression. From logic circuit also, we can have our Boolean expression. So this is an example for a Boolean expression, how basically the truth table looks like. And how about our logic circuit? Okay. I think, yes. Let's try. You can see you have A, B plus C, and then A plus B, C. You have bar all over the Boolean expression here. And of course, you're going to separate this bar first. We have A, B plus C factorials plus, because this one is multiplication, you convert it into to B plus. And this is bar, single bar. And there is another A plus B, C, R. Then you solve this one first. We have A, B, because we have bar plus over here, we're going to convert it into multiplication, C bar bar plus A dot B C bar bar. So from here, you can basically draw the logic circuit. Let me see whether I can like directly get it or not. But you can see you have over here AND gate. But you have A, B. Oh, we need to solve first. This one is you have AND gate. This one is A, B bar, which is a NAND gate. So that's why we don't want to do it. You can see this is the NAND gate. But later on, we try to solve this first. Okay. For this part, we have A plus, but I think over here it's not using the O gate. Eh. Okay, after you solve this part, you can see A dot B bar is going to change from multiplication to be addition, right? And you have plus A bar multiply with B bar plus C bar. Let's take a look what we have. We have over here A bar C bar plus B bar C bar plus A bar B bar plus A bar C bar. We can see, okay, this part and this part is similar. So you check back what rules numbers. We have A bar A plus A equal to A. So that's why we have A bar C bar plus A bar C bar equal to A bar C bar. Okay, this one. So we simplify. This and this we already simplify. After that we have A bar B bar plus B bar C bar. You can directly draw the logic circuit, but you can also simplify. Later on, you can see how to simplify. I think there is no correlation between each other. So let's take a look. From here, we have AND gate. A way to draw. A bar, C bar, A bar, multiply. And we have another one, A bar, C, and B bar. This one is AC and then AB. And we have another one is B bar, C bar. From here, you have the no OR gate. So this is basically the output. But you can also see this part. I don't know whether it is similar output or not. But from here, it is using AND gate. I can see this part. So I think it is directly pick this one. A bar, B bar, C bar. So after you multiply over here, you will get A bar, B bar, C bar. And from here, it's going to get A, B, C. And at the back, you have C bar. A, B, C dot C bar. And after that, you plus with D. So this one is totally different because it's have the D. But this is the one from the circuit you can get also Boolean expression. For this truth table, I think it is also not represent this Boolean expression because it's have B. So from this, you can see from your Boolean expression, you can get the simplification version, and then you can draw your logic circuit. You can also later on know how to draw the truth table. So this one is I just show you how you can simplify this Boolean expression. From this logic circuit, you can come out also with the Boolean expression. Now this one you can take a look back. What is the meaning? This one we already touched also. This slide also we have done in our previous class. And please do the exercise. I think I already shows you, and if I'm not mistaken, your section, we have picked 3 students. Or maybe different section. I forgot already. I think no. After this, maybe I'm going to try to pick someone. Okay. Please try to play around with the exercise. But over here, we're going to jump to our logic circuit to Boolean expression. It is basically from this Boolean expression, we come up with our logic circuit. You can see, come out with our logic circuit, the one that I already shared with all of you, how you basically can do by getting this as a multiplication, this as multiplication, this is as a addition, this is AND gate, this is AND gate, this is OR gate. So you can see you have this as A, and then here you have B dot C. This one is D. So from here you have here is N. From D, this one you're going to have B dot C. This is N. This will be D bar, and here will be O. So let's take a look into the step. Oh, I forgot about the knot over here. And you will come up with your logic circuit. This one we already discussed together. And now we're going to look logic circuit to Boolean expression. So
Madam,
yes.
sorry to interrupt, but I think you're mistaken with another section with us.
Oh, you didn't
Because,
notice yet.
yeah, I don't even remember that we touched on these parts last class.
Okay, it's okay. This one is very easy part, which is we need to draw the circuit. Okay, let's see. We have A dot BC plus D bar. We're going to do one by one as like mentions if like my way to do, I'm going to look into the factorize first. So over here we have the factorize. Normally I'm going to like having this and putting all the necessary things to do dot C plus D bar. Okay. From here we have the B and C because we're going to focus on the factorize, and in factorize we're going to see the multiplication first. Okay, over here we have B multiply with C, and from this part we have additions after the N, which is O get. We all with what? With D bar, and D bar is going to be a not get. Okay, then we have this output over here for this factorized fact. This output will be combined with the AND gate, and our input will be the A. So this is I always show you how to draw from Boolean expression to the circuit. But in step by step, you're going to like divide it A, A, and then you have multiplications, and then you have B dot C, and this one is D bar. And after you like already done this as a single input, stop it first, and you know this one will be your N. Here you're going to separate it. Going to see you have input B and input C, and in between you have AND get. This one you're going to go down as D, and also you have the NOT. Forgot to put here. So for here you can see you have a OR get. AND get, AND get, OR get, NOT get. So from bottom to the up, you will have like D. From D, you have the NOT get. And you're going to have the multiplication. Not multiplication. Addition with your B dot C. From this output here, you go up, you're going to meet the multiplication. So either way, so which one that you normally apply into your drawing? So you can see you have the odd and not get here, and then you have and get from B and C. You have or get to adding these two things, BC and D bar, and lastly you have and get. So this part is the one that I like drawing. Basically, the normal logic circuit, how you draw it. So it is not very hard for you to draw. But I think this one is really simple Boolean expression. If you still have difficulty to draw this, so better for you to recheck your basic, which is from the law until your rules, and then to go to the theorem. I already show you how to draw the step by step using uh, your Boolean expression. Now here there is exercise, and because last time you mentioned we still didn't touch this, I'm going to pick three students.
Madam, one more thing.
Yeah,
I think we didn't even start module 3 like last class.
module 3.
Yeah.
This one
All
is module
these
4.
theorems. Yeah. All these theorems I don't remember we took.
The rest, did we?
Uh,
I
like
think we did.
mechanics, we
I
did?
I think theorem is already done. We only like
No.
until the combination logic representation. We didn't
I don't
touch
know.
this.
The last one I remember is the gates, and all these plus and stuff and De Morgans. I don't know.
Already. Yes. We already done, right? The let me check. I think in the e-learning, I already post the video. Where's your e-learning? Session 3. Our last class is on 15. Did I just teach until rules? We didn't touch the Morgan theorem. Some said yes, some said no.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't even remember we touched on this. So I don't know how the students here say yes. So yeah, the last thing was the I think the NAND gate or something. I don't know. De Morgans, yeah, De Morgans.
Huh? De Morgan, yeah, that is a De Morgan theorems.
Yeah, that's the last thing, I guess.
Yeah. So we already touched the De Morgan theorem.
Oh, wait. I don't know. I'm just very confused right now. Sorry, excuse me.
It's okay, but I did the recap lah just now. You came late or what? I think we started with the law, and then we saw back on the rules, and then I already teach also on the De Morgan theorem just now.
All right, because I was stuck outside the class, so yeah.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Maybe, and also started the recording, I think, after we start
Ah,
the Boolean expression just now. It's okay.
all right, it's
If
okay.
it's okay if you have difficulty later on, I will check back the video, and I will try to see part one, 03, the module 3, module. Let me recheck whether I already touched or not the Timogam theorem, okay? But why your friend all said that we already done the theorem? It's okay. Now I'm going to open the Jamboard. I'm going to pick three student. Let me create another one new. One, two, three. Okay. Please go to this link, and I'm going to paste the question based on the example. First example. Okay, this part. One, two. Oh, you cannot join. I cannot see someone joining here. Maybe I need to open the link to all. Anyone with link? Editor. Two, and then page number three. Okay, we have three questions based on the exercise. What I want you to do is just to draw the circuit following the question. So first I'm going to pick a girl. So then another two is boy. First, Alia Balkis, page number one. Second is Haris Hakim. Third will be Sondos Tamer. Tamer, is it? Okay, please try to draw the circuit. It's very simple circuit. I think 5 minutes also you can. But I have a question. I have a question in commercial logic. Is there any equation that tak faham soalan? Sekejap saya nak tengok ni. Kenapa saya pick soalan ni Example. Example. Sebenarnya saya nak bagi. Okay, tak apa. That is the simple things. Satu. Dua. Let me see. Page number one is already okay. Page number two. Mana orangnya? Hakim. Page number three also.
Doctor,
Yeah?
supposed to do page number 3, right?
Again?
I'm
Yeah,
supposed to
you
do page 3, right?
yes.
Someone's already doing it.
Page number three
Uh,
is Tamer. Haris Hakim is page number two.
Yeah, someone else is doing page 3. Oh. So should I just do page 2?
It's okay. After this, I have another question. Okay. So this one is correct. Let me share my screen. Hakim, bila nak siap ni? Hakim ni dia dengar ke tidak saya cakap? Dia tak dengar.
I'm doing. Wait.
Okay.
When you get itu.
So while we
Okay.
think, you can see question number 1. It's very simple. You have A, and then you have B bar, which is B, and another one is not get. And it combined with and get. After this, after that you have A bar, which is from A. You have not get, and you have the and get with your input A. After you have both, you're going to have the O get. So this one is correct. Page number 3, this one you can like simplify it, like you multiply and then you multiply, but you can also directly do as your friend did over here. You have A bar, A, not get, and multiply with your B. This part is okay. And you have over here is multiplication later on. Here you have C plus, which is O get. C O with your D. Your D bar. Done. And don't forget your multiplication here. Going to have and get. Done already. And page number 2. Allah, tak nampak. Okay. Get apa ni? While waiting, just to test all of you whether is it I already done with the De Morgan theorem or not. Okay, we have 3 questions. Question number 1, I'm going to pick a girl. Salah pula. Salah picture. Mana ni? Desktop. Okay, while waiting your friend tak habis lagi. Fauzan nanti kejap saya tak faham apa yang you tanya soalan tu. Okay, first page number 4. Misha Shafika. Page number 5. Ganziyu. Page number 6. Page number 6. Amir Jamil. Habislah.
Doctor already done.
Okay. Deny? Done. Okay. Untuk
Done.
soalan, okay, it's okay. Untuk soalan page number 4, 5 and 6 for the question at page number 4, 5 and 6, what you need to do is just simplify using De Morgan theorem. Don't apply the law, don't apply the rules, okay? Just do until the Morgan theorem for the simplification. So let's take a look page number 2. Your friend just done it. Okay, for this part, you can see it's also very simple. You have here is A dot B, which is AND get. A and with your B. After this, you have A bar. A bar mean not. B bar mean not. You get the A and you combine with on, not get, and get with your B bar. Berselirat. After this, you have A bar. Similar from here, maybe you can directly. Mana? Berapa banyak gate you nak pakai ni? Not ni. Not ni you letak dekat sini satu je. Contohnya, kat sini satu. So, it's going to go to the this end. And from here, you tarik ke bawah. Kalau you buat macam ni, you ada dua not get. Means that you dah membazir kat sini. The cost is increased because you apply 2. Instead, you can like directly just jump it. So you have A bar direct to your AND gate and it's connect to your B and your C input. So this one is okay. But please make sure if you have the A bar over here, please make sure you only use one NOT gate. Because this one also, although like, yeah, it is correct. You have not and not, but in the term of cost and simplification, you need to use as simple as you can to reduce the cost. Okay. So after you have all these three, this part is OR get. This one is OR get. And all the answer will be O with this. And you can also using the OR get with 3 input. And you're done. This is a very simple things how to draw the logic circuit. Now let's take a look into page number 4, 5, and 6. Okay, for question number 4, 5, and 6, what you need to do, you just need to simplify using your De Morgan theorem. No need for you to apply the Boolean's rules and also your law rules. Besar sangat ni, nanti muat ke? Ke dah siap? You bagi terus answer
Belum siap.
Okay. You need to show your working flow step by step.
Alright.
For the rest, please make sure you try to do also. If your friend doing it wrong, maybe I will pick someone else to correct it. Kenapa tersalah ni? If you're done, you please inform us, okay? De Morgan theorem is not hard because it's just having two theorem. But I can see takut saya tengok jawapan-jawapan ni. Kenapa ada dua orang yang buat? Who try to help your friend? Page number 4. I already picked someone, okay? So for those, the rest, please don't do and help your friend because page number 4 already given to Misha, Shafika. Page number 5,
Doctor,
you. Yes?
can we have a toilet break?
Again?
Can we have toilet break?
You can go waiting for your friends or you can go to the ladies.
Okay.
Is it finished? I don't think so. Okay. Hey. No. Where is you? You is page number 10 ZU.
Yes.
Did you done?
I'm still thinking my answer is wrong or not.
Okay. Amir Jamil, you buat soalan nombor page number 6 eh?
No.
You finish or not?
I think so.
Okay, besar sangat. Ingatkan ada lagi page you buka kat sebelah. Misha, dah habis ke? Misha Shafika, is it finished?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. Okay, now let's take a look into page number 4. Misha answer. Okay, before I directly teach you, ada lagi ke penambahan? Confirm? Jawapan terakhir?
Yes, doctor. Sorry, I forgot the bar.
Okay. Tan Kai Yu, is it correct or not?
I think not.
Okay, wait. Ikmal Khairi, is it correct or not?
I think it's incorrect.
Okay, which part is incorrect?
The whole expression,
Boolean expression? Yes. What? Which part?
A plus B plus C. It's suppose A, B, C bar
Like this.
plus
Okay.
as next plus D bar. I think like that.
Okay. Thank you for the answer. Alia Damia, which one is the correct answer? Misha or Iqbal? Ikmal. Dia tak ada eh? Alia Damia.
Sekejap. I think Ikmal could. I'm not able to.
Aduh, ada kod tu. Susah tu. Okay. Last person. Ang Yi Zin. Which one is correct?
I think it's Ikma.
Okay, but this is not the simplest answer. You need to simplify this part again. Okay, so now let's take a look. You have A plus B plus C, and then you have D, and all together is bar. Let me look your friends already done or not. Okay, from here you can see all of this is bar. And what you need to know is mana ya? Here. Alhamdulillah, sorry. Oh, dia tak bagi tahu rules lagi dekat sini. But it's okay. What you need to know first is you need to find this bar first. And then then you can simplify inside. Similar like your priority in your mathematics. You have like factorize, you have multiple, and then division, plus and minus. So this one is the most factorized. You need to do this first. But in Boolean expression, you have another one, which is the bar. So if the bar contain at least two what input, so you need to simplify it first to be one input. So let's take a look. You can see over here, let's say I give you another example. A plus B bar, and then you have like plus B. So which parts that, or maybe it's not showing you the factorize over here. Alamak, mana? Okay, so to make you confused maybe, so you can see A plus B bar plus B. So which part you need to prioritize first? So you need to do this first because this part you have O bar. So you need to simplify to be one input, to have only one input bar. So from here you are using the De Morgan theorem, you will get A dot Y dot, because this one is addition. A dot B bar bar. You apply only at one input because this is require you to have like two input over here. So to use and apply your De Morgan, you will apply it into one only. Let's say you have A plus B plus C bar, and then you have another one is, let's say, plus factorize B plus C. Still, you need to look into this first. This part, what you need to do, you need to change it into multiplication. A dot B dot C bar bar bar. So let's say you have another one. Alamak, dah tak ada tempat nak tunjuk. A, B, C bar plus B, C bar. And from here, what you need to do, you have this bar because it require you, like you can see, you have three inputs with all the bar. So you need to simplify this first to be only one input have bar. So from here you have multiplication. You just change this to addition. A, B, C, bar, bar, bar. Simple. This Morgan theorem is very simple theorem. You just change from multiplication, but you need to see it is require you all the bar. to apply to all the inputs, and all the input you will separate it, and it only require bar at the single input. You have over here multiplication, so you change into plus, and this is a bar for 2. Now when you change it into additions, it's only applied to single. So now for this question, okay, so for this question, you have all the bar here. Okay, where you going to apply this all bar? Because you have like quite confused. You have all this bar here. Is it for this part only, which is factorized? Or which part? You need to see this factorized is showing you have dot here. After that, you have D. Let's say you have, I give you example, A plus B bar dot, because you can see it basically. Alamak, tak ada bar kat sini kan. Sorry. Okay, you have A plus B, and then you have D. This one you can see clearly, but in this question it's not showing you, because as mentioned, it's not going to put the dot over here, but you need to know, okay, this is a multiplication. And A plus B is multiply all this D. And this is all bar here. So what is your big operation? Your big operation is all the bar. And inside the bar, the most biggest operation will be your multiplication here. So this one, because this is multiplication, what you need to do, you change it into addition using the De Morgan theorem. And this is one input, this is one input. So this input, you're going to put bar. This input, which is A plus B, you put another bar. Here is not A plus B bar bar, okay? Because it is not yet doing it. Or another one, I give you example. Alamak, okay, you have A multiply D. You have O bar. This one is the simplest, your De Morgan theorem. You have this will be positive, and it will be A bar, D bar, right? But if you represent this input to be A plus B plus C, which is similar to this question. A plus B plus C dot D. Similar, right? Similar thing to this part. So this A will be A bar. So your answer will be A plus B plus C, because this is A. You will put bar. After this, you have adding, you have D bar. So this is the one first step after this part. Maybe I'm going to draw it into this PowerPoint so it's easier for you to see, because I'm familiar with the eraser and etc. over here. Let me draw it here, okay? From here, as I already mentioned, if you have A dot D bar, what you're going to do? This you're going to get plus D bar A bar. This is your simple De Morgan theorem. But when you see over here, you have A, this A equal to A plus B plus C. This is the A. You have A. Let's say I give you A. And then you have dot. Can see over here in your question, dot D, and your bar is all over here. But this is A, your A. What is your answer? You will bring plus. You will get D bar. And here, all your A is A plus B plus C. What happened? Bar. So supposedly you will get this A plus B plus C bar all together plus with D bar. So I don't think that one of you get the correct answer. So this one is also wrong. This one is this one also, I guess. Let me take a look whether it is correct or not after this. How to delete so next step. Next step, what you need to do is from here you have A plus B plus C bar plus D bar. This is the one that I show you already here, right? Okay, from here you have another one. This part bar. What you need to do? You're going to change it into multiplication. A bar, B bar, C bar. After you have this part, you need to know this will be plus with D bar. This will be A, B, C bar, bar, bar plus D. This is your answer by using the De Morgan theorem. Any question?
Doctor,
Yes?
is that same that A bar plus B bar plus C bar with A plus B plus C bar? Is that the same?
No. No, I already mentioned is since your module 1, I already mentioned that A bar it's not equal to A dot B bar. A bar dot B is not equal. Like A plus B bar, it is not equal to A bar plus B bar.
Okay, doctor, thank you.
This one I already repeat several times. Okay. So any other question? Any other question? So that's why you cannot like combine it all together. It is not A, B, C bar. It is not. So this is the answer. A bar, B bar, C bar plus D bar. So let's take a look into the next. Next page is this question. Okay, I don't know how you get this. Okay, first of all, what you need to do, the biggest thing you can see, you have all this bar, and your biggest operation is plus. Because it is plus, what you need to do, you change it into multiplication. And your input will be A plus C bar, D, E, F bar. Okay, so this is your first step. How? You have A plus B bar. Using your De Morgan theorem, what you need to do, you just put here dot, which is adding to multiplication. This B bar and this will be A bar. Similar, this, if this one is your A, B, C. You can see this one, right? So your ABC will be ABC bar. Similar, right? If you have B as DEF, if you convert here, because this is B bar, what you're going to have? DEF bar. So that's why you get this. So not yet finished. From here, you have this bar and this bar. You want to solve A, B, C bar dot D, E, F bar. So you just using the similar things. You have dot, 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 dot. If dot, what happened? It changes into positive addition. You have C, B, A, bar, bar, bar. Over here, you have similar things. You have adding, adding, D bar, E bar, F bar. So it is a multiplication. After this, you can like simplify also. You will have like A D bar. You have A E bar plus A bar F bar plus B bar D bar plus B bar E bar plus B bar F bar plus C bar D bar plus C E plus C bar F E. So you can like having this part also, but using this is also can. This is how you use the De Morgan theorem. After this, you can apply your law, your rules to simplify it later on. But in question, I want you to only apply the De Morgan theorem, right? De Morgan. So this is the one that you can simplify. Because after this, after you like multiply it all together, you can see all the bar is only represent at all the single input. So no need for you to apply the De Morgan theorem yet. So for this question, is there any question? Can you understand?
Yes,
If there,
madam.
okay, if there is no question, you can see the next question. We have mana yang nak lukis ni? You have A B bar plus C bar D plus E F. First thing you can see all bar here. And in the bar you have the big operation which is plus plus. Similar to if let's say you have A plus, oh sorry. You have A plus B plus C bar. If you convert it using the De Morgan, what you can get, you will get dot and dot. And C will be bar, B will be bar, A will be bar. Done for your De Morgan theorem. Similar also this. The different only because this part A, B, C just represent using a several input. So like you said, oh, it's quite confused. I don't know. And the basic thing is very simple. You have addition, you convert it into multiplication. You have addition, you combine it, convert it into multiplication. It's very easy, and then you can convert it one by one. Okay, this input going to have bar bar bar. But you like, confused here. It's going to be confused because I have already over here there is several input how to convert. But you just assume this AB bar is similar to A. Then you know, oh, this one I will bring it to be here, dot and dot. AB bar, I assume it to be A. So after it A, after I convert it, I need to have bar. Just put bar here. And I have another one. I have CD bar as a B. But I can see after I convert using the De Morgan theorem, I need to have B bar. So I just put bar. Another one, EF is equal to C. After convert, I going to get C bar. Then this is my C. I put bar. This is a simplest answer? No, because this bar is still refer to two variable. It is not E bar, F bar. It is not. So this one is simplest, but for this still need to convert using your De Morgan theorem. So from here, I have this part, okay? I do this first. A and B. Alamak, kenapa ni? Ada bar dekat sini. It's confused lah. But you just need to assume. Mana yang nak tulis lagi ni? A dot B bar. Okay, I ada ni. If you are using your De Morgan, what you need to do? You change it into plus. This B will be B bar. This A will be A bar. Simple kan? Kalau you are applying dia De Morgan theorem. But when you see over here, you jadi confused dah. Alamak, ada bar dekat situ, doktor. How to do this? Kenapa kat B ni ada bar? So just assume this to be A dot B bar, which is similar this one. Okay, you tak nak, you kata you confuse this one, A, B bar. You just gonna apply these similar things. You will get A bar plus B bar. But your B here is similar to your B bar. Only that's why you just add another bar. Check back. You tak belajar lagi ke? I lupa dah. Dekat you punya rules. If you have A bar bar, it is equivalent to nothing. Which is, you ada A 0, 1, 1, 0. It is equivalent to A. A bar bar. A bar bar. B bar bar. So that's why you will get A bar plus B. Okay, because I rasa you accompanying is going to be like dizzy because there is a lot of things here. I show you at our PowerPoint. Okay, let me go back one by one so that you can understand more deeper. We have this example number C just now, right? First of all, we have A plus B plus, oh Allah, plus C. Bar. You can see, this is my A. My A is what? A, B bar. My B is what? B equal to C bar D. My C is what? My C will be E, F. Using the De Morgan theorem, the simplest one, I just change this because it is applied to all, okay? I just change this into multiplication and all the input, I bring it down to be A bar, B bar, C bar. But now in the equation, I have A represent as A, B bar, but my A now have bar. My B is what? Only B, not a bar. Only B. We have C bar D. And because after I change this, I'm going to have bar. And my C will be E, F. But I have a bar. So this is the first thing that I get from this part. Dot, dot, A, B, bar, bar. C, bar, D, bar. E, F, bar. So you can see you still not yet simplify because this bar for 2 input. This bar for 2 inputs. This bar still for 2 input. I want to simplify. The easiest thing, this is 1. You refer to your De Morgan theorem, you can see this is E dot F bar. So I just bring it down to have plus F bar, E bar. Check your De Morgan theorem. If we have A dot B bar, we will get A plus B bar bar. Isn't it? So this is first thing. Done. Simplification. Only bar for one single input. I have this. Don't forget to bring it down. So now let me do another two things. I just confused because I got bar. So I was like afraid. How to do it? So this part is basically similar to this and this. And here you have dot. I have dot. I'm going to bring it down as positive. I have B bar as the input, but I need to put another bar. A, I will bring it down and I put a bar because of this. Done. So this part is my dot here. Don't forget to bring it down. Now I'm going to settle this part. I have C bar, D bar, which is similar to this one. I'm going to bring it to be positive. And my D will be D bar, my C bar will be bar. Simple and easy. So my final answer will be, I have B bar bar. I remove this. My C bar bar. I remove this. Because bar and bar will be removed. I already shows you A bar, you will get A bar. A bar bar, you will get A. That's why if you have two bar, you're going to remove and discharge it. Your final answer will be A bar plus B, C plus D bar, E bar plus F bar. So this one later you can like directly multiply, and then you using your Boolean's rules, you're going to use your law rules, you simplify it later on. But after you like already simplify using your De Morgan theorem, you will not get like another like E, F bar, which is too variable to get a bar. So you need to simplify the bar first. So, any question? Or you want me to give you another example? Hello. Saya dah terkeluar dari Gmail ke?
Belum.
Belum. Ada pun suara. So, any question? Did you understand? Or you want me to give you another example?
Understand, Doctor.
Understand?
Yes.
Kejap Understand kan? Kejap. Dah banyak conteng dah dekat sini. Okay, saya sekarang nombor 7. Mana Okay, I have. Adam Lukman, page number 7. Can you solve the question? Tak ada soalan kan tadi? So please try to solve the question number 7. Page number 7. Yes. After that, page number 8. Amir Jamil. Page number 8. Tadi you dah buat. Tak boleh. Amirul. Dia asyik gelak je tadi masa you jawab. So page number 7 and page number 8. Senang je, kacang je. Semua dah faham kan? Tapi saya tak tengok gerak-gerak lagi ni. So the rest please try to do also. This one is just applying a too simple De Morgan theorem. But maybe it's more like complicated because all the bar you feel like, oh takutnya nak jawab ada banyak bar di situ. Seorang stuck, tak gerak langsung. Seorang lagi yakin. Tapi betul ke? Peserta nombor 8 dah siap. Peserta, oh belum lagi. Peserta nombor 7 ni
Belum,
mana?
belum dah.
Mana peserta nombor 7 ni? Ketinggalan basikal. Keluar dari landasan tak muncul-muncul dah. Any one of you already done for both question number 7 and question number 8? Anyone? Zheng Yuhang, did you finish?
Yes.
Okay. Siapa lagi? I tengok yang tak menulis. The rest I think. Tan Kai Yuan, you also already finished.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Let me see the answer first because your friend just finished. Let me share my screen.
Okay, hold on. Wow. Oh.
Is it correct or not, Tan Kai Juan? Question number 7. Just answer correct or not. Similar or not with your answer?
No.
Not similar. Who else? Jack Q Lin. Jack. What is your answer? Is it similar or not?
No.
No, so. Afwan Alpha. Did you get similar answer or not?
No,
What is your answer?
still confused, man.
Your answer is confused. I asked.
Yes.
So, aduh, hai. Misha, do you get similar answer or your answer also confused here?
Yes, confused.
Apa dia? Christy Yap, what is your answer here? What?
Not same with the
Okay,
answer
not
shown.
Sam. So what is your answer?
AA plus AD bar
Siapa yang gerakkan ni? Sekejap, jangan gerakkan. I nak tulis ni. Apa dia?
AA
AA plus
AD bar
AD bar. Oh, you darab Okay, it's okay. Lagi?
plus AB plus B bar A plus B bar B plus B bar D bar
Finish.
plus CA plus CB plus CD bar.
Done.
Yes.
I tak kembangkan, so I don't know whether it is correct answer or not. But how you get AA? It's okay. Tan, is it your answer is similar?
I can't say.
Your answer is what?
My answer is A bar. No. My answer is A. B bar E plus B bar plus C bracket A plus B bracket D bar.
Lu Zijuan. Your answer?
A plus B bar plus C bracket AB bracket D.
Apa semua lain-lain ni? Ki Shin Po. Your answer?
Sama dengan Tan.
Here. Okay,
Yeah.
there is 2% getting this one. Let me try to see. Siapa tadi ni? Can you remove this part? Gambar je ni kan? Macam mana nak delete ni? Okay, thank you. Okay, from here, this big bar is having 2 input. Alamak, mungkin saya kena guna pen warna lain kot. Hijau. Okay. You ada satu je bar dekat atas ni eh. Let me try to do it again. A, B, C bar plus A, B bar plus D bar. Okay, this is the correct answer equation, right? Okay, from here, you can see all this bar. Maybe you can like simplify it using the first thing ever you have, A plus B. A plus B bar. From here, you convert it, you're going to get A dot B bar. So from here also similar because this one is bar positive. This is your A. This is your B. So your A will be A bar B C bar plus A B bar. So this is your A. And another one is your B. Your B is D. You get dot D will be bar. And the rest over here, you have this part, right? You will copy it paste. You have A bar, B, C bar plus A, B bar. This is your A. And you know your theorem, where is your theorem? A plus B bar, you will get A bar, B bar dot. Okay. So this one is A bar. Your A is this one, which is this, right? So you have another bar. So as mentioned just now, bar over here, you will just remove. So what you get? You will get A bar, B, C bar plus A, B dot D bar. You can like doing this so that easy for you to see. This is the bar for all. So from here, you simplify this only. You got A bar plus B bar plus C bar berapa banyak? Silap. Sorry, mana I punya eraser ni? Okay, this is your input. A bar, B plus C bar. But after you plus, you're going to put all the bar back over here. Plus with your A, B, you will get D bar. So from here, you will get A plus B plus C. This one bar. This is removed. This is removed. Plus with your AB. And you got D bar. So after this, you can see all the input are having only one bar for one input. Any question for this part? I think because you didn't realize this one. Maybe you like see, okay, this bar, you're going to do 2 times De Morgan. But if you do the 2 times De Morgan, you still, yes, kenapa tak cakap? Betul, when we are going to, oh, okay. Wait, I need to explain first. What happened? You have class? Now? Alia, can you just talk? Hello?
What, doktor?
Huh? Yes?
Apa doktor tanya tadi? Saya tak dengar.
Oh, tak. Kenapa ada kelas ke?
Oh, tak ada something to attend.
Apa dia?
Ada meeting kena attend.
Oh, okay. Kejap. So, I nak explain this one. So, is it okay or not? For this part. I think the only things that make you confused is the double bar over here. Although, like, you can see it is basically similar to refer to your A bar, B, C bar plus A, B. You have first this one, right? After you put the De Morgan theorem, you have another bar. If you do the 2 times also, normally you will get the correct answer. But to simplify it, you just remove because this bar referring to similar answer. So that's why if you have 2 bar, you can remove. Similar to like A bar equal to A. Equal to A. Okay. So this one also, the next question, you can see if you have these 2 bar, you can have these 2 bar. Then you put your answer, whatever. If you have these 2 bar, I cannot edit. If you have these 2 bar, then you need to just remove this part. So later on, you like confuse if you have a bar. Okay, so this part also you can like simply remove it. Please try to do this question. I want to screenshot. In our tomorrow class, we will continue. Okay. So I think I already occupy your times about 15 minutes. I need to end our class now. Okay. Any other question?
Hello, madam.
Okay.
Can you share the QR code again? I have a
Yeah.
scan. Okay. Thank you.
So the rest you can dismiss, and thank you for your participants. We meet again tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Thank you, doctor. Stay safe.
Thank you,
Thank you,
doctor.
doctor.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you, doctor.
Thank you. Famzan nanti stay nak tadi apa question tak faham.
Doktor.